I hate this starting part where I have to keep on asking, am I live? Am I live or not? But there is no way out. I have to ask. क्या कर सकते हैं? पूछना तो पड़ेगा. Okay, it looks very odd, but पूछना पड़ेगा. I think I am live, right? So we are all set to start our live streaming, correct? And today's topic, just a minute. Today's topic is MCQ, and here we are going to cover all the MCQs from all the chapters which are there for your semester 2 examination. So are you ready? Now I will like to tell you all, okay, if you are already prepared for your examination, you think you are prepared. So this session of MCQ will be a good form of revision for you all. Okay, do you need revision before examination? Yes. You can check how is your preparation through this MCQ. And I can bet on this. You can always trust that whatever MCQs I come up with, they are best in the quality. You cannot compare it with any other MCQs or anything. You will see that whatever questions you are going to get in your examination, whatever you are going to get in an examination, they will be same like the MCQs which you find here, or maybe similar like that. So you will get a very good practice of solving MCQs. While solving MCQ, please use your chat box. If you need explanation on any concept or any particular thing, so don't worry about the time. We will go deep into it and we will try to understand that concept. And I have taken a video for Super 40 numericals, but that was so long. A video was almost 3.5 hours. So I thought I will complete that within the next part, but I could not get a time and I could not solve it. Okay, but if you want the solution of that part, so you have my phone number. You just write it you can WhatsApp me on the number which is there. You can see this number on the screen and I will send you a solution. You will see it over here. I will send you a solution of that on this number. Am I right? Yes, good evening to all of you. A very, very good evening to all the champions, to all my champs who are attending this class. You are really champions. I see that from large few days, the way you have conducted yourself, the way you are preparing, the way you are attending my live session, you don't see timing, the way you have responded to my videos and to my PDFs, question banks. So I feel and I am sure that you are real champions. Nobody can match the commitment which you are showing towards your board examination, and you are surely going to come out of your examination with the flying colors, right? Once your board examination, your physics paper is over, please come back and write comment on my videos whether you have got questions like this, same questions or similar questions. Now I can definitely say that everything which is going to come in the examination, that will be from my question bank, from my Super 40 question banks. This I can tell you with full confidence, and this confidence is based upon my experience for so many years. I am closely watching the board examination. I am closely watching the trend of the questions which are asked in the examination. So that gives me a confidence. That gives me some kind of support that I can help my students, so that I can help my champions to get good marks in the examination, right? Okay, some students are already started giving the answers. So without any further delay, we will start with our MCQ number 1. As I told you, this MCQ is going to be very, very important. If you have any doubt, you can write your doubt in the chat box. Yes, I am reading it. Yes, I see all my champions are here. Aman Aryan was asking about the remaining solution of the remaining 20 questions from the super 40 subjective questions and super 40 numericals. Please send me hi in on this WhatsApp number and I will send you a PDF of the complete solution of the remaining answers. I hope Aman Aryan has got this. Right, KV, good evening to you. Mamta Singh, Conquer, Rachna Sharma, God, Hit Rap, Kifu, Aman Aryan, I am me, Harshit Kumar. Yes, Harshit Kumar, yo. Himanshu Khushwa, all my regular champions. Let us start with our first question. Yes, Abhay also. Abhay was there for my last class till the end. Squick and so many other. Okay, I'm sorry if I have not taken your name, but yes, I'll make sure that I give a shout out to all of you. Yes, Prashant Upadhyay, hello and good evening. Aditya Raj, let us start solving the question. And before we start our today's session, it is humble request from my side. Please like this video. Please like this video. Go to a video and hit the like button. Okay, I am also working hard with you all. I am also trying to provide you with all the materials which will be helpful for you for your examination. So like this video, share this video with your friend, so that will keep me motivated. So least penetrating radiation is for which particles? Alpha particles, beta particles, or gamma particles? My superstars, my champions are ready with their answers. And answer is alpha particle. I don't want to keep you all waiting for the answers. Okay, so here is your answer. Right? Okay, yes, please like our live streaming. Right, let's move on to next question. Generally, it's my experience that MCQ does not take much time. We can run through this MCQ. Maybe maximum within 1 hour we can go through the MCQ. But if you have any doubt, if you want a clarification regarding any concept or anything, yes, you have to type your doubt in the chat box. Okay, from time to time I'll be referring to the chat box. The radiation which has the ionizing power. Now my video is coming out exactly at midnight, which is about the midnight prediction. So I'll spill out the bean. I'll reveal the secret there. From this chapter, I have given a question. Important question will be regarding the ionizing power, penetrating power, okay, and power of causing biological damage, right? So these three are sure short questions. Okay, these three are sure short questions, right? Okay, so radiation which has the highest ionization power, alpha particle, beta particle, and gamma particle. Obviously, X-rays are out of the way, out of the question. So this is the order. They may change the question and they may ask you which is the least, which has a least ionizing power out of three. So answer will be gamma particles, right? Yes. Let's move on to next question. Question number 3. The radiation which travels with the speed of light. Without any doubt in our mind, we know our answer is what? Yes, I am waiting for your third answer. Please make sure that you write a question number and your answer. Like if your question answer for question 3 is D, then you should write 3D, because sometimes what happened, I get your comments little bit late, there is a lag. Okay, come on, let's move on to, yes, every one of you, all my champions, all my champs are getting correct answer. They are ready to rock their physics paper tomorrow. Okay, yes, the radiation suffering the maximum deflection in a magnetic field, which is that fourth wala answer, which is fourth answer. It is beta particle. It is beta particle. Yes, fourth answer is D. Fourth answer is D. Okay, third answer was, sorry, third answer is D, and fourth wala answer is B. Fourth answer is B. Correct? I will write answer for previous two questions also. Here in first answer was A, so that all those students who are not watching the live stream, they will be attending the recorded session. Okay, it will be useful for them. If they ask you a give reason, why beta particles suffer some maximum displacement, what is the answer you champions are going to write? Let me know. What is the reason why beta particles show maximum deflection in the magnetic field, or for that matter even in the electric field? I am sure that you all champions know the answer. Please type this answer in the comment box. Why beta particle? Yes, absolutely correct. Abhay was the first person to give right answer. Okay, even Abhinaya, Himanshu, because they have, okay, they are lighter. Okay, what is beta particles? Energetic electrons, nothing but energetic electrons. Yes, Rachna Sharma, Aditya Raj, Aryan, yes, you all champions are right. Quick conquer, right? Okay, here we go with our first question, fifth question. This is also from radioactivity. The radiation consisting of same kind of particles as cathode rays. Is this question out of syllabus? Because some part from this chapter has been removed from the syllabus. Any idea what cathode rays are? Okay, what is the charge on the cathode rays? Any idea what is the charge on the cathode rays? That there. Okay, if you know the charge on the cathode rays, you have your answer. They are negatively charged, and our beta particle are also negatively charged. So my superstars, my champions are ready for the examination. They are giving all answers correct, right? So fifth wala answer is C. Which radiation has zero mass? Which radiation has zero mass? No mass at all, zero. So electron has a negligible mass. Mass. C, beta radiation is energetic electron. So is my answer C? Okay, is my answer C? Maybe I am misguiding you. I want you all to come up with the right answer. Electron has negligible mass, but it has a mass. It has negligible mass when you compare. Okay, negligible mass when you compare with the mass of proton or neutron. Okay, electron has a negligible mass when you compare it with the mass of a proton or a neutron, but it definitely has a mass. No mass for what? Gamma particles, because they are almost like the light particles. Okay, they are like photons, so they do not have a mass, or they have zero mass. Yes, correct answer for sixth answer is C. I am sure you all are loving this session, right? I want to see a thumbs up in my chat box. And if you have not liked my video, go down to the video, to the live streaming, and please like the video. You have to do two things at a time. You have to like this live streaming, as well as you have to put a thumbs up in a chat box. Yes, I'm waiting for your thumbs up. Right? Yes, Preeti. Okay, which one? What are we talking about? The radiation, which causes a maximum damage. So this is again a very important question, a sure shot question. Maximum biological damage can be caused by gamma radiation. So answer for 7th question is D. Have I written the answer for 6th one? 6th ka answer is A. 6th ka answer is A. There are large number of students who watch this video, recorded lectures, okay? They don't attend the live session. Maybe they are studying, they have designed their timetable in such a way that now they are completing their portion, they are revising their portion. Which is a pair of isotopes? Which is a pair of isotopes? Remember that you must have idea about the isotopes, about the isobars and isotones. Somebody was telling me, sir, this is not in the syllabus. Yes, this is very much a part of your syllabus. What is the speciality of isotopes? They have same mass number. They have same mass number. Maybe they have same atomic number. I am so sorry. I am excited. Okay, because my champions are giving quick answer. I am trying to compete with them. I am trying to give a quicker answer. Okay, so they have same atomic number, and isobars have same what? Same mass numbers, right? Same mass number. And isotopes have same number of neutrons, right? Same number of neutrons. And how do you find out number of neutrons? So from mass number you subtract atomic number. Okay, atomic number, that is number of protons, number of mass number minus number of protons, that will give you number of neutrons. Okay, how many neutrons are there? So here isotope, this question is about isotopes. Okay, see, this question can be confusing if they ask you which is not. Sometimes this question is asked in a negative pattern, so you have to be very, very careful. Where do I find mass number? If this is my element, mass number is written here. Atomic number is written here. And mass number is written here. So we want this atomic number same. So what is my correct answer? Look here. Atomic number of protons is same in these two isotopes. So correct answer is answer 8A. Let us check out with B. 11 and 12 not same. 19 and 20 not same. 18 and 20 not same. So yes, I saw, before I could explain, I saw my champions giving the correct answer, right? So question number 9, yes, it is about the isobars. Isobars have same mass number. Now check out, where is the same mass number? Is it A, is it B, or is it C? If this is my element, mass number is written here at the top. So not same here, so I eliminate this. This also not same, I eliminate this. This also I eliminate. So correct answer for 9th one is 9th B. 9th B, isn't it? Do you agree? Or not? 9th wala answer is answer B. Yes, write your answer and question number also, because there is some lag, there is some problem with internet. Okay, so I am getting your comments rather late, so I should know which answer you are talking about. There is a lag in the internet, but there is no lag with our concept. There is no lag with our understanding. We are up to date. We are exam ready. Tomorrow in physics paper, we are going to rock that examination. Have you seen my video of self-motivation? How to motivate yourself? I will urge you all that video where I have given a motivation 90 minutes. You are going to write your paper for 90 minutes. Okay, khas 90 minutes. If you have not seen my video of lucky charm, title or a thumbnail says lucky charm, please watch that video. Please watch that video. You will be motivated. Currently, I am motivated. I am excited. All my champions are giving me right answers. Right? Now this question is about isotones. Isotones means what? Same number of neutrons. Yes, same. Your answer should be along with the question number. Same number of neutrons. And how do you calculate number of neutrons? So number of neutrons के लिए you have to subtract this two. You have to subtract this two, right? You have to subtract mass number. Okay, you have to subtract a mass number and atomic number. Mass number and atomic number. So here with first question, what do I see? 16 minus 8 is what? 8, which is not equal to 18 minus 8. 18 minus 8 is 10. 8 is not equal to 10. So this answer is eliminated. What about this? 23 minus 11. Second one option. 23 minus 11. How much? How much? Is it 12? Is not equal to 23 minus 12, which is equal to 11. What about third one? What about third one? I see most of you are writing third wala answer. So I will try to eliminate 13th one. Okay, D wala question. Okay, this is not 1, 2, 3. This is A, B, C, and D. Correct? So 35 minus 17 is how much? 18. Is it equal to 37 minus 17? This is 20. So this is also not equal. So yes, even my champions are correct this time as well. Correct answer is 10C. Correct answer is 10C. Yes, I am proud of you. I am proud of you. So well you are prepared for your examination. But this is a next challenge which I am presenting in front of my champions. Are they ready for this challenge? It requires some times. It requires some calculation. Now question is, what are the respective number? What are the respective number, okay, of alpha and beta particles emitted in the following decay? So this is a decay. Mother element is A. Its mass number is 200. Atomic number is 900. It emits some alpha particle. How many alpha particle? X alpha particle. And some beta particle. How many beta particles? Y beta particles, to give a daughter element B, whose mass number is 168 and atomic number is 90. Can you tell me how many alpha particle and beta particle will be given? X is 8. X alpha particle, 6 beta particle, or 6 alpha particle, 8 beta particle. Both alpha and beta particle are 8, or both alpha and beta particle are 6. I know I am very unfair. This question carries 3 marks and I am asking it. I am asking it for 1 mark as a MCQ for 1 marks. But I am confident about my champions. उन्होंने इतने सारे challenges को पार किया. I thought I will give some serious challenge to them. I will give some serious. I am really surprised. I am really surprised how well prepared you are for your examination. So well prepared you are for your examination. You are champion, real champion. You are champions of champions because all of you are getting the correct answer. But still, I will show you how to solve it. Okay, so 200 is mass number, 90 is the atomic number, and it emits X alpha particle, and let us say daughter element is Y. Okay, for X alpha particle, mass number is reduced by 4. So this will become 200 minus 4x, and atomic number decreases by 2, isn't it? Isn't it? Right? And then what happened? Then some Y beta particles are emitted to get a daughter element B. So when beta particle is element, mass number does not change. 200 minus 4x as it is, and atomic number increases by 1. Okay, so 90 minus 2x, 90 minus 2x plus y, 90 minus 2x plus y. Correct? This is our answer. This is our answer. We know that B, daughter element B, will have this mass number and atomic number. But what is given? What is the mass number and the atomic number given for B? 168 and 80. अब यहाँ से physics खत्म हो गया और math start हुआ. Okay, math has been started. Now it's like equating and finding out equation. So 200 minus 4x, 200 minus 4x is equal to 168. Therefore, 200 minus 168 is equal to 4x. I am sure you know this step. How much is this? Is this what? 32? This is 32 is equal to 4x. Dividing both sides by 4. So my value of x is 8. So x, 8 alpha particles are emitted. So I can definitely eliminate these two answers. Now there is a race. There are two options still alive, that is A and C. How to find that? Now we will concentrate on this atomic number. 90 minus 2x, x is 8, plus y is equal to 80. This is going to give me my beta particle. 90 minus 16 plus y is equal to 80. 90 minus 16 is how much? Is it how much? 90 minus 16, how much? Is it 74? Is it 74 plus y is equal to 80? सर हम लोगों ने स्कूल में कुछ और किया था. This is the advantage. This is like maths, linear equation, chapter linear equation which you have studied. जब आपका मैथ्स का टीचर और फिजिक्स का टीचर सेम होगा, दिस इज द एडवांटेज. सो मैथ्स का टीचर अगर फिजिक्स का टीचर सेम होगा तो फिजिक्स के न्यूमेरिकल्स के लिए भी वो सर वो टीचर विल यूज अ मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स. सो इफ यू यूज योर मैथमेटिकल स्किल्स ओवर हियर, so you can solve this question correctly. So C wala answer is also eliminated. Correct answer is 8A. 8A. I took about what 3 minutes 4 minutes to get the answer, but my champions are getting the answer with a snap of a finger. एकदम चुटकी में answer find कर रहे हैं. That is awesome. That is awesome. I am highly impressed. I am highly impressed. Can you tell me, can you cross this hurdle, this challenge successfully? How much heat is required? How much heat is required? Heat is Q, required to raise a temperature of 50 gram of water by 10 degrees Celsius. Take specific heat capacity of water as a 4200 joule per kg per Kelvin. It should be written as K raised to -1 and kg raised to -1. Okay, so please excuse me for this kind of presentation. Right? How do you solve this? Okay, formula for Q is, are you ready with your answer? MC delta T. MC delta T. Mass is 50 gram and this is in kg. Right? So 50 grams. Grams is converted into kg, dividing by 1000. Specific heat capacity is 4200 and change in temperature is given as, okay, raise in temperatures. That means changes in temperature is given as 100 degrees Celsius. You must be knowing that degree Celsius or Kelvin, in case of change in temperature, that is equal. right? So how many zeros cancel? 1, 2, 3 from the denominator and 3 from the numerator. So 42 into 5 is how much? 210. And this 0, without fail, you have to write this 0. So 2100 joules. Even this time, my champions have hit the nail on the head. They have come up with the exact correct answer, that also quickly. So you champions are like quality along with the quantity. Quantity means in a given number of time, even in a given period, how many questions you can solve. And quality is how many correct answers you can solve. So here I see not only you are giving correct answers, but you are giving in quick time. So I am highly impressed. Okay, I am highly impressed. Look at this question. Look at this question. Have I written the answer here? 12A. Now tell me, this is from calorimetry. This question is from calorimetry, and students were telling me that calorimetry is one of the chapters, or the chapter which they have found to be most difficult, सबसे difficult, सबसे ज़्यादा problem उनको इस chapter में आ रहे थे, because इस chapter में कितने सारे concept है, and all the concepts are confusing. Kinetic energy of a molecule of a substance dash during a phase change. Increase, decrease, remain same, becomes zero. Phase wire is also a live wire. Phase wire is also a live wire, but that phase was in electricity. This is not electricity. This is calorimetry. Here phase means state. We know matter exists in 3 phases or in 3 states. Okay, these three states are solid state, liquid state, gaseous state. There are 2 other states also. Okay, Bose-Einstein's super hot and super cold. But anyway, that is not in our syllabus. So let us stick to this. Kinetic energy, when phase is changing. Is kinetic energy increasing? Is kinetic energy decreasing? Does it remain same or it becomes zero? So kinetic energy during a change of phase, kinetic energy remains same. So what happens during the change of the phase? Potential energy. There is a change in a potential energy. This is a very important question. This is a confusing question. Most of the students go wrong here. When does kinetic energy changes? When there is an increase or there is a decrease in a temperature. When temperature is increasing, kinetic energy also increases. And when temperature is decreasing, kinetic energy also decreases. And when kinetic energy is changing, when there is a change in a temperature, potential energy is constant. Potential energy will not change. Potential energy will change during the change of phase or change of state. So here phase is changing, so potential energy will change and kinetic energy will remain same. I am trying to revise. I am not saying that I am teaching you this concept because you already know it. Okay, I am just revising it. I am just brushing it up. Right? So here again my champions are giving me correct answer. Let us move on to question number 14. This talks about potential energy. Tell me now, it is a potential energy. Potential energy of a molecule of a substance that during increase in temperature. Now there is a rise in temperature. Now temperature is increasing. Temperature is increasing, right? So what will happen? What will happen to potential energy is the question. What will happen to a kinetic energy? Just now I told you. Okay. Last time it was remaining same. For question number 12, it was remaining same. तो बार-बार same answer नहीं हो सकता है. Okay. Tell me champions, क्या बार-बार same answer होगा? क्या बार-बार same answer होगा? Yes. बार बार सेम आंसर होगा, क्योंकि टीचर्स लोग क्या करते हैं, हमको कंफ्यूज करके हमारा आंसर रॉन्ग करने का कोशिश करते हैं. बट हम तो चैंपियंस है. वी आर चैंपियन. सो वी आर गोइंग टू गेट द करेक्ट आंसर, राइट? ओके. सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी, टेम्परेचर चेंज होता है तो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इज कांस्टेंट और सेम. और टेम्परेचर चेंज के साथ में, ओके, टेम्परेचर चेंज के साथ में काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल चेंज, काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल चेंज. इफ टेम्परेचर राइजेस, kinetic energy will increase. If temperature falls, kinetic energy will decrease. So this question is about the potential energy. This question is about the potential energy. Are you confused with the design of the question? Are you confused by the method which this question is asked? Are you? Yes, my champion. Are you confused? Let me know what is the answer over here. Correct answer over here is again remains same. Correct answer for 13 question is C. Yes, explain karo. I think Ankit, I have already explained. When temperature changes, देखो ना temperature change अगर हो रहा है, टेम्परेचर अगर चेंज हो रहा है तो काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल इंक्रीज, काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल इंक्रीज. और जब काइनेटिक एनर्जी चेंज हो रहा है, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कभी चेंज नहीं होगा. In this case, molecules के kinetic energy and potential energy they do not change at the same time. अगर kinetic energy change हो रहा है, increase हो रहा है या decrease हो रहा है तो potential energy will remain same. और अगर potential energy increase या decrease हो रहा है तो kinetic energy will remain same or a constant. Right? So काइनेटिक एनर्जी कब चेंज होता है और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कब चेंज होता है? कीप दिस इन माइंड. काइनेटिक एनर्जी तब चेंज होगा व्हेन टेम्परेचर इज चेंजिंग, राइजिंग और फॉलिंग. और पोटेंशियल एनर्जी कब चेंज होगा? ड्यूरिंग स्टेट चेंज ऑफ फेज और चेंज ऑफ स्टेट. व्हेन सॉलिड बिकम लिक्विड, लिक्विड बिकम गैस, or vice versa. Gas becomes liquid or liquid becomes solid, or a case of sublimation, okay, or deposition जहां पर solid directly to a gas और gas directly to a solid. When phase is changing, state change हो रहा है तो potential energy remains same. So यहाँ potential energy, they are asking us about potential energy, okay, and what they are saying, they are asking, okay, the condition is that temperature is changing. By temperature change हो रहा है तो kinetic energy change होने वाला है, potential energy नहीं. It will remain same. Are you enjoying it? I am enjoying it thoroughly. And I am sure you are enjoying it too. Please give a red color heart. Please give a red color heart if you are enjoying this session. Please give a red color heart if you are enjoying this session. And I want all of you, yes, I want all of you to give a like to our live streaming. इस वीडियो को like देना है, okay? As many like as possible. All those students who are attending this live streaming, सबको क्या करना है? वीडियो को like करना है. Isn't it? We are enjoying it so much. हमारा कितना अच्छा रिवीजन हो रहा है, right? Okay, here we go with next question. Yes, our chat box is full of red color ke heart, right? Let's move on to question number 14, a straightforward question. Again, midnight prediction. Today 12 midnight, my video is coming, midnight prediction. उसमें ये question है. I am sharing all the secrets with my students. Okay, I am spilling all the beans in my bag. Okay, calorimeter is made up of material which has what? High specific capacity, low specific capacity, high latent heat of fusion, low latent heat of fusion. What do you mean by latent heat? Latent heat मतलब hidden heat. Latent heat मतलब hidden heat. That is used when change of a phase happen. तो definitely ये दो answers तो नहीं हो सकते. That is C and D. So we are eliminating these two answers. Calorimeter. Okay, whenever you are performing an experiment in a laboratory. Now because of this corona situation, most of the class which you have attended, okay, was the online class. उसके वजह से आपको लैब में, आपके फिजिक्स के लैब में, केमिस्ट्री के लैब में, बायो के लैब में जाने का चांस शायद नहीं मिला है. You have lost on this opportunity. But still, okay, let me tell you all, अगर आप पहले गए होंगे, okay, so calorimeter, whenever you are performing an experiment related to heat, the instrument which you use to calculate a heat is calorimeter, and you will see that calorimeter is made up of copper. Why does it has high specific heat capacity? Does it has low specific heat capacity? Chalo, I will give you a clue, I will give you a hint, and that will be explanation also, revision also. If we are using calorimeter for the experiment in a laboratory, if we are using a calorimeter for the experiment in the laboratory, हमको ऐसा मटेरियल चाहिए, कैलोरीमीटर ऐसे मटेरियल से बना हुआ होना चाहिए जो कि हीट खुद के लिए एब्जॉर्ब नहीं करेगा. Whatever heat is there, it will pass on that heat. Okay, it will not absorb the heat. वो सारा का सारा हीट जो है वो सिस्टम में होगा. वो हमारे जो हम लोग हॉट ऑब्जेक्ट और कोल्ड ऑब्जेक्ट्स मिक्स कर रहे हैं. ओके, दैट वही जो है वो हीट को यूटिलाइज करेंगे. एंड कैलोरीमीटर शुड नॉट यूज द हीट which is there, which we are studying in our laboratory, in our physics experiment related to heat, right? तो कैलोरीमीटर कैसा होना चाहिए? क्या उसका हाई स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी होना चाहिए? एब्सोल्युटली नॉट, एब्सोल्युटली नॉट. उसका हीट कैपेसिटी कैसे होना चाहिए? लो एज पॉसिबल, एज नेग्लिजिबल एज पॉसिबल. तो क्या करेगा वो? हीट यूज नहीं करेगा. क्या अगर आपकी मिठाई की दुकान है, अगर आपकी मिठाई की दुकान है, क्या आप ऐसे लड़के को आपके मिठाई के दुकान पर बिठाएंगे जो खुद ही सारी मिठाई खा जाता है? then you will run a loss. Okay, then your business will run into a loss. तो हम लोग ऐसे आदमी को रखेंगे मिठाई सेल करने के लिए जो डायबिटिक पेशेंट है, जो मिठाई खा ही नहीं सकता है. सेम वे दिस वाज अ कंपैरिजन. तो कैलोरीमीटर ऐसे मटेरियल से बना होना चाहिए जो हीट को बहुत कम एब्जॉर्ब करता है, नहीं एब्जॉर्ब करता है, नेग्लिजिबल एब्जॉर्ब करता है. सो बेस्ट चॉइस ऑफ मटेरियल इज कॉपर, क्योंकि उसका स्पेसिफिक हीट कैपेसिटी लो होता है. आई एम श्योर you all champions know this answer. You all champions know this answer. Yes, all the answers are correct. Yes, all the answers are correct. Fine. Can we move on to next question? That is question number 15. Are you up for the next challenge? Question number 15. Weather becomes mild. Weather becomes mild. Okay, not that severe. Weather becomes mild during a snowstorm because what is the reason? What is the reason? What is the reason weather becomes mild? Okay, 1 kg of ice on melting. 1 kg of ice melting on melting absorb 36,000 joule of heat energy from the surrounding से absorb कर लिया heat को. इसलिए हमारा weather, हमारा atmosphere mild हुआ, warm हुआ, mild हुआ. Am I right? Okay. What? Melting absorb, heat absorb करेगा. Okay, when heat absorb करेगा तो surrounding जो है वो cold हो जाएगा, right? Heat absorb करने पर. So is A our first answer? Is A our first answer? Is it correct? I see my champions are ready with their answer and they don't have any doubt in their mind about their answer. Correct answer is what? Correct answer is what? Correct answer is B. Correct answer is B. अरे कितना बड़ा statement है, कितने सारे option है. Why weather become mild? Because 1 kg of water on freezing. Okay, water अगर freeze हो रहा है, water अगर ice बन रहा है, okay, water अगर ice बन रहा है, okay, water अगर ice बनेगा, is it correct? On freezing at 0 releases, okay. Ice अगर water बनेगा, correct. What is happening during the snowstorm? Okay, during a snowstorm what happens? Okay, melting of ice. तो वो क्या करेगा? 3,36,000 of joule of heat will be released in the surrounding, making the atmosphere mild. Yes, Himanshu, I am so much excited. Okay, correct. Anyway, correct option is 15 का B. Correct, 15 का B. क्या होगा कि heat will be released in the atmosphere. Yes, heat will be released in the atmosphere. Is it fine? Heat will be released in the atmosphere. Correct. Can we move on to next question? Can we move on to next question? Right? Yes, here we go, question number 16. Here we go, question number 16. The heat, yes, this is a definition. This is definition of what? This is the heat required to raise the temperature of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. By 1 degree Celsius. What is it called? Is it a heat capacity? Is it a specific heat capacity? Is it a thermal energy, or is it a temperature? Heat required to raise the temperature. To raise the temperature, heat is required. So question is about heat. So temperature to answer nahi hai. Temperature to answer nahi hai. Thermal energy, heat required to raise. Okay, that is not a thermal energy. That is not a thermal energy. Thermal energy is a heat energy. Okay, not it is an heat energy, not for increasing by 1 degree Celsius. So is it heat capacity, or is it specific heat capacity? Most of you are writing 16A, which is the correct answer. Which is the correct answer? B क्यों नहीं है? Can you tell me? Can you tell me B क्यों नहीं है? Can you tell me B आंसर क्यों नहीं है? और अगर आंसर B लाना है तो इसमें क्या मॉडिफिकेशन करना पड़ेगा? Yes, 16 का करेक्ट आंसर इज A, but still, okay, still, okay, we will see कि इसको ट्विस्ट किया, इसको मॉडिफाई किया, तो what will be the answer? Heat required to raise the temperature. I want the definition of specific heat capacity, and I am sure my champions know the definition. तो इस सेंटेंस में क्या चेंज करेंगे? एक इंफॉर्मेशन ऐड करना पड़ेगा. What is that information? What is that information? Yes, already answers have started coming up. Answer have started coming up. Okay. The heat required to raise temperature of a unit mass. Okay, mass is involved. When mass is involved comes the word specific. When mass is involved comes the word specific. So read your question and choose your options correctly, and I am sure you are all exam prepared. You are in this habit of reading the question correctly. No need to inform that. No need to tell you that. But as a teacher, it's my duty to keep on alerting you. Yes, this is a very important question. हम लोग इसमें थोड़ा धीरे धीरे करेंगे. Okay, we will do it systematically, we will do it slowly, क्योंकि I was continuously getting कि सर एक वीडियो बनाओ इस क्वेश्चन के ऊपर. I don't remember the name of the student, but he was continuously telling me, सर इस ग्राफ वाले क्वेश्चन पर वीडियो बना. जो रेगुलर क्वेश्चन होते वो नहीं, because this kind of questions were asked in the pre-board examination of many schools, right? Sir, 15th wala, where is 15th one? 15th one, 1 kg of water. Okay, water when becomes ice at 0 degree Celsius, it will absorb the heat. Okay, when water become ice, it will absorb, it will what? Release it. What? When water becomes ice, how come when water become ice it will release it? It will not. Okay, wait. 1 kg of water. 1 kg of water. Okay, let's go slowly. 1 kg of water is becoming what? Okay, is freezing, is changing into ice. Is it fine? Is becoming ice. Water अगर ice बनेगा तो वो heat को क्या करे? Water will release it. Yes, water will release heat. चलो मैं धीरे धीरे बोल रहा. Water will release heat. Is it fine? Water जब ice बनेगा, it will release. Water गर्म है, water के अंदर heat है. ice बनने के लिए उसको क्या करना है? तो अपने heat को देना, right? वैसे ही स्नो स्टॉर्म जब आता है, ओके, हमारे कंट्री में ये स्नो स्टॉर्म वगैरह नहीं होता. इन इंडिया वी डोंट सी दिस. ओके, ये कनाडा, या पोलर रीजन में जो है we see all this, okay, North America and regions like this, colder region. So when they have a snowstorm, okay, जब snowstorm होने लगता है तो water, okay, water starts getting converted into ice. ओके और जब वाटर और आइस को अगर कंपेयर करेंगे तो वाटर के पास हीट ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू आइस. ओके, डू यू एग्री विथ मी? वाटर के पास में हीट ज्यादा है एज कंपेयर टू आइस. सो व्हेन वाटर बिकम्स आइस, इट रिलीज हीट. ओके, नाउ थिंक वाटर. चलो some student, okay, Himanshu feel that okay, whatever I am saying that is wrong. ओके, दैट इज रॉन्ग. ओके, अब यहाँ सुनो, अगर वाटर को आइस बनाना है, ओके, वाटर को आइस बनाना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? वाटर को रेफ्रिजरेटर में रखेंगे. वाटर में रेफ्रिजरेटर को रखेंगे तो रेफ्रिजरेटर क्या करता है? उसमें हीट ऐड करता है कि हीट रिलीज करता है? टेल मी हिमांशु. यस हिमांशु, टेल मी. व्हेन यू कीप वाटर into ice, water, okay, water into freezer, okay, into a freezer, it releases heat. And since it releases heat, okay, heat release हुआ और वो जो है when ice is warm, when water is getting converted into ice, तो रिवर है जो एटमॉस्फेयर है वहां से क्या हुआ? हीट रिलीज हुआ and weather has become mild. I know whenever I take a lecture in my class, there is a lot of confusion about this point. We will come back to this point. Okay, just remind me at the end of the class. We will come back to this point. Okay, we will come back to this question. Okay, थोड़ा और in depth में please stay with me till the end. We will come back to this point. Okay, अब जरा सा okay, unwind your mind. Okay, थोड़ा mind को जो है उस question से बाहर निकालो because we are about to take very important question. Okay, we are about to take very important question. Did you get? Let me know. Okay, let me know. Okay, let me know. Have you got this question in your pre-board examination? Have you got? Yes. Tyrell Hurd. Yes, Tyrell Hurd. I do remember you, and I read all your comments. Okay, and I read all your comments. Okay, and I read all your comments, and I have replied to all your comments. I hope your name is Tyrell Hurd. Okay, so yes, OP to Tyrell Hurd, right? Have you got? Tell me. Achha, you want me to zoom on into graph? Have you got a question like this? Just have a look at this graph. While solving, I'll zoom it. क्या आपको ऐसा कोई subjective या objective question? Okay. Yes, Sambhav. Okay. So your real name is Sambhav. Yes, Sambhav. Welcome. I hope. Okay. I think you have joined late, right? But anyway, whatever part you have missed, later on you can rewind and you can see it. I'm waiting for your reply. Have you got a question like this? This is not a regular graph wala question. This is not the regular graph wala question. Okay? This is not the regular graph wala question. Have you got this question in your pre-board examination? Have you got this question in your pre-board examination? Right? Yes. No. Okay, I am getting a mixed answer. I know that most of the students, because I had some student continuously telling me, sir, please make a special video on this. Due to crunch of time, I could not make a special video, but I thought कि I'll make a video whereby I include this question, okay? A solid, look at this point, okay? A solid initially at 0 degree Celsius, we will try to trace this graph. Solid is at a 0 degree Celsius, okay? On x-axis, what do we have? These numbers we can see 2000, 3600, 4000, 6000, okay? What is that number all about? It is about heat energy expressed in SI unit, that is J, joule, okay? And this 10, 20, 30 up to 100, this is what? On y-axis. Y-axis represent a temperature. So this is heat versus temperature graph. This is heat versus temperature graph. Okay, a solid initially at 0 degrees Celsius. To start with, solid was at 0 degrees Celsius. It is heated. It is heated. The graph shows variation in a temperature. Yes, initially it shows the variation. Okay, upar gaya. Okay, heat is absorbed. Heat is increasing and temperature is also increasing. Right? When it reaches a particular point, that is point B, then we see a no change in a temperature. Okay, temperature change nahi ho raha hai, so your phase is changing. Your phase is changing. What is changing? Phase or state, right? And then again temperature keeps on rising, right? Specific heat capacity of a solid is this. Value of C is this. Please remember, value of C is given in joule per gram per degree Celsius from the graph. Okay, the mass of, you have to find the mass of, you have to find the mass, you have to find the mass, you have to find the mass. Okay, you have to find the mass. Okay, you have to find the mass. Are you ready with your answer? I see answers coming up. Answer coming up. Some students are ready with their answers. Okay, some students are ready with their answers. Right, we're ready with their answers. Okay, we're ready with their answers. Are you ready with your answers? Yes, I am giving you time. I am giving you time to find your answer. I am giving you time to find your answers. Right. Okay. There are two parts. So this question is divided into 17A and 17B. Right? जरा ध्यान से सुनो, समझ कर लो, because okay, शायद ये question you are handling this question for the first time. Okay, so we need to be alert. We need to be extra alert. Okay, चलो देखते हैं C का value. I know, I'll write it over here. C का value. Let me use. Okay, let me use a better color. Okay, C का value is 0.8. Okay, let us forget about the unit for a while. क्या हो रहा है? Okay, mass we have to find out. Look at this part. Temperature is continuously increasing. Why it is increasing? Because heat is absorbed. Why? Because heat is absorbed. In this part, how much heat is absorbed? Heat absorbed is, from the graph we can make out, it is 3600 joule. 3600 joule. Are you getting it? 3600 joule. And which formula are we going to use here? Over here, okay, for this part, we are going to use a formula. Q is equal to MC delta T. In some of the textbook, it is written as theta, but I am using, okay, delta T as it is given in a Selena textbook. And when temperature is constant, ये वाले part में, which formula? Okay, when phase is changing, which formula we are going to use? That is M into L. Correct? That is M into L. So we have to find out mass. What is the change in a temperature? Can you tell me what is delta T? Yes, I am waiting for your answer. What is a delta T? How many degrees Celsius? Change in temperature is how many degrees Celsius? चलो type करो comment box के अंदर. How many? Okay, it is changing by what? Okay, by what? Right? Are you getting it? Okay, चलो फटाफट type करो. I'll take a water break. Where is my bottle? Okay, tell me what is the change in a temperature. Change in the temperature you will find in a graph. Observe your temperature. Y-axis is your graph. Yes, 100. Okay, how do we calculate change in the temperature? Final minus initial. Final temperature here is 100. minus initial temperature was 0, right? Initial temperature was 0. 100 minus 0 is 100 degrees Celsius. Then what? How to find out a mass? I will use this formula. Q, heat, is equal to mass into C, specific heat capacity, into delta T. So what will be? Am I blocking the vision? Therefore, what will be formula for mass? If I keep mass over here, so what this become? This become Q upon C delta T. Q upon C delta T. I'll continue over here. So mass is how much is the heat? It is 0.8. It is 0.8 joule per gram per degree Celsius per gram, right? Okay. Specific heat capacity. Okay, wait. Heat. Okay. Heat is wait. Heat. We have to, heat is represented on the x-axis. Heat is represented on the x-axis, which is 3600. How do we get heat? Final heat, okay, final on x-axis. This final minus initial. Again, final minus initial. So that is 3600 when temperature was 100 degrees Celsius minus initially, okay, 0. Upon, okay, final minus initial, upon what? C, 0.8 into change in temperature. Change in temperature, we already have found it. That is 100. So 3600 minus 0 is 3600. Here, I will multiply by 10 because I don't like 0. Okay, I don't like a decimal point. So after one decimal point, so 10, right? Into 100. Into 100. So 20 and 20 get cancelled. 20 and 20 get cancelled. What? 8 into what? 8 into 4 is 32. Correct na? So I'll use a table of 4. 4 into 2. 4 into 9 is 36. 9 divided and 2 into 5 is 2 into 5 is 10. 9 into 5 is 45. Will it be a gram or it will be a joule? So from here we can say it is definitely a joule. It is definitely a joule. Yes, everyone. Okay, almost all of you are getting this correct. Okay, almost all of you are getting it correct. Any doubt, let me know, or else we will go to the next part. We will go to the next part. I am including this question over here. Most probably you can get this question as a subjective question. Okay, students, some students were continuously telling me, sir, make a video on this. Okay, so I could not get a time to do that, but I have included this question. I have included this question as a MCQ based question, right? Here we go. Correct option for 7A. Okay, what was it? 17. What was it? 17 का A वाला part. Correct answer is what? B. Okay, 45 gram. 45 gram. Not milligram. Is it milligram? It's gram. Mass is 45 gram, right? Come to the second part. Using above data. Using above data means what? Just now we have got the value of M. So you can make use of that value. And also find the specific latent heat. Any idea how do we represent? What is the symbol of specific latent heat? What is the symbol of specific latent heat? Symbol is L. Symbol is L, isn't it? Symbol is L. Fine. So what is formula for this? Q is equal to ML. Okay, now come to graph. We will have to go back to our graph. और हमको देखना है. Okay, this time. Okay, this time. Which part? Specific latent heat means temperature is not changing. Temperature is constant. Temperature is constant. Only state is changing. So this part we are going to use. This part we are going to use. So what is a heat? What is a heat? What is value of Q over here? As I told you, final minus initial. Final, okay, final heat minus initial heat. Initial value of it. Okay? So what is the final? Final is 7,200. 7,200. Correct? Minus initial was what? 3,600. 7,200 minus 3,600. Is it 3,600 and unit is joule Is it fine? Again, I think in previous case also Q was 3,600. Here also it is 3,600. And we already we already have the value. Already we have the value of M, which is 45, and we are interested in finding out the value of specific latent heat. So L is how much? By cross multiplication, 3600 into what? 45. I see 9 into 5 is 45. 9 into 4 is 36. 9 into 4 is 36, followed by 2 zeros. 5 into 8 is 40 and 0. So 80 joule per gram. Thank God they are not confusing us with okay, different units. So conversion of unit is not involved over here. Do you agree with my answer? Do you agree with my answer? I always love a situation when there is a disagreement in the class, when there is a difference of opinion, so we can have a healthy discussion, we can have a healthy argument, and we can come with a right answer, so that whatever doubts, only through the discussion we can remove the doubts which we have in our mind. So we have to go back to question number 14, 15 wala, okay? At the end we are going back there. Is it fine? Is it fine? Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Is answer for 17th B is A? Is answer A? Are you getting it? Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Let me know. Okay, I am getting your comments late. 80, sorry, extremely sorry. Okay, it's 80, right? 80, and 80 is option B. 80 is option B. 80 is option B. 8 is okay. So read your options properly. Okay, I need to read my options properly. That was okay. I was confused. Okay, कि how my champions can give a wrong answer. They were sure about answer. कि answer होगा B. Okay, I see there are many students watching right now, but likes are very less. I want you all those who are watching this, okay, I want you all to like this video, like this live streaming. Okay, तो जल्दी से आप लोग क्या करोगे? Okay, before I move on to next question, आप लोग इस वीडियो को like करोगे. Come on quick, फटाफट like करना है. Then I will start with my next class. Right, fine. Okay, can we continue? Can we move on to one more question? Okay, I don't remember the name of the student. From last 2 days he was requesting me to make a special video on this. Okay, but due to it requires a lot of time to shoot a video, to edit it, upload it. Okay, so I thought I'll include this question in my live stream. I hope that student is watching. Please like the video. What explanation do you want? Joe, which part you want explanation? Which part you want explanation? Please be specific. Please be specific with your answer. Please with your questions. Okay. Do you want me to explain this once again? Okay. एक बार और. चलो एक बार और. No problem. Okay. Because I know बहुत सारे स्कूल के प्रीलियम पेपर में, ओके, प्री बोर्ड पेपर में, प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जाम के पेपर में this question was not included. Very few schools have included this question. So students are not thorough about this question. चलो, I am teaching this once again as if I am explaining this in a classroom. Okay, ये देखो. Can you see this part? Can you see area under a graph? Area under this graph. Okay, ये वाला triangular part. Look at this part. We can divide this entire part. क्या आप लोगों ने कैलोरीमेट्री के न्यूमेरिकल्स किए हैं? Okay, क्या आपने कैलोरीमेट्री के न्यूमेरिकल्स किए हैं? If you have done numericals, then you will understand this in a better way. And this part, we will divide area under a graph into two parts. Area under a graph into two parts. Right? Area under a graph into two parts. Okay, एक मैंने शेड किया है येलो कलर से and other with the pink color. Okay, if you are there with me, okay, तो आपको समझेगा स्टार्टिंग से. We already have included this question. ये क्या हो रहा है? टेम्परेचर चेंज हो रहा है. टेम्परेचर इज राइजिंग. temperature is rising. Look at the y-axis. From 0 we have reached till 10. Okay, so this particular part, okay, is what change in temperature. Okay, change in temperature, no hidden heat. So इस part के लिए if you have to find out heat, formula will be Q is equal to MC delta T. I hope you are comfortable with delta T, because most of the students, okay, most of the students use theta. Okay, all those who use Selena ka textbook, they know this formula. MC delta T is change in temperature. Om is saying that he is watching on new Mac Studio. Very good. Okay, congratulations to have your new Mac Studio. Okay, fine. Coming here, when temperature is not changing, what is happening to the heat we are supplying? That heat is hidden somewhere. So when we have a hidden heat, when we have a latent heat, this is a formula. Have you understood till this point? Have you understood till this point? Right? Let me know. Have you understood? Okay, let me know. Yes, Abhinaya. She also used Selena like I do. Right? Have you understood this point? अब हमको solve करना है. Okay? Now first part, A वाला part, 17 का A part is related to this, and B वाला part is related to this. Correct? B वाला part is related to this. Okay? So okay, let us zoom out and let us see this question. A solid initially at 0 degrees Celsius is heated. The graph shows a variation in temperature. Variation in temperature means what? Q is equal to MC delta T. Q is equal to MC delta T, right? Variation in the temperature. Okay, here value of C is given in the question as 0.8 joule per gram per degree Celsius, right? And we have to find out value of M. Look at the formula. Q is equal to MC delta T, right? To find out value of M. C is already there. We need Q, value of Q, and we need value of delta T. अरे भाई ये वैल्यू कहाँ से मिलेगा? तो ये वैल्यू हमको मिलेगा ग्राफ से. Okay, look at the x-axis of the graph. That will give you temperature. That will show you temperature. Okay, so change and at the x-axis. Did I said something wrong? On the x-axis is heat. Heat you will get on the x-axis. If you see this triangular part or the part which is shaded by a yellow color. Okay, what is the final temperature over there? Final temperature here is, okay, sorry, final heat is 3600 joule. 3600 joules, and initial is 0. So 3600 minus 0, that is 3600 joules is the value of Q, is the value of heat. Correct na? Value of heat. If you still don't understand why final minus initial, let us take this number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you travel from 2 to 5, how much distance you have traveled? So 5 फाइनल वाला यूनिट लेते हैं हम लोग 5, और इनिशियल वाला यूनिट लेते हैं, that is -2. So your answer is 3. You have traveled 3 units. Final minus initial, same thing here. 3600 minus 0. Correct? And what about temperature? Yes, we know temperature. Temperature is on x-axis. Look here. Okay, here final temperature B is 100. Final is 100 minus what is initial? Initial is 0. So this value is 100. Where do you get Q? You get Q on y-axis. Where do you get T? You get T on where? X-axis. Now you are all set to find out value of mass MC delta T. That brings me to formula M is equal to Q upon C delta T. Q upon C delta T. So that is temperature now, sir, right? So temperature. So Q is how much? 3600. 3600 upon C 0.8. Okay, you can remove a decimal point and you can put 10 in the numerator, and change in temperature is 100. On solving this, which I have solved earlier, you get as B. Okay, so Joe has understood this explanation, right, Joe? Now same way, okay? So M we already have. M we already have. और Q हमको कहाँ से find out करना है? Q is on X axis. Q is on X axis. This is related to a second part. Second part जो मैंने pink से shade किया था, pink से shade किया था, okay? Here it was 3600. Here it is 7200. So final minus initial, 7200 minus 3600 is what? 3600. Okay, so this here, and mass is 45. On dividing this, you get answer as 80 joule per gram. Is it fine? Yes, you all have understood, right? So if you have understood this, one more question, okay? Graph को देखना है और आपको बताना है. A substance, okay? This is like what? I will wait and I'll get the answer from you. I want answer from you. The substance initially in a solid state at 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius here. Let me use some dark color so that my marking is visible. Okay. Is heated. Okay, is heated. First, initially temperature is increasing. Solid. This is solid. And then this is a process of melting. Then again, once entire solid is converted into liquid, again on heating, your temperature starts increasing. Okay, this you already have studied in your regular graph. Graph shows a variation in a temperature with the amount of heat supplied. If mass is 20 grams, okay, find the latent heat. Okay, they want latent heat. Okay, latent heat. Fine. So what is Q? Q is equal to ml. Since they want L, can you tell me which part of graph we are going to concentrate? We are going to concentrate on which part of the graph to find Q. Okay, let me give you two options. Here I'll shade, okay, with the pink wala part. Here I'm shading. Area under graph is by pink. Okay, is by pink wala part. And the other part by the yellow color. So to find out Q, okay, we have to find out L. So which part you are going to use? Which part? First part or second part? Which part are you going to use? First or second? First part or second part? Which part are you going to use? Tell me which part of the graph. Yes, okay. Answers have already started coming up. We are going to, here we have a formula, Q is equal to M into L. So how to get the value of Q? Final minus initial. Remember, final minus initial. 2000 minus 1000. Okay, 2000 minus 1000 is 1000. Now calculate and give me your answer. Okay, here I have 1000. Okay, mass was given as 20 grams. And I have to find out L. Hang on. Okay, my options are in kg. So I will convert. Okay, I will convert this into kgs. Am I right? Do I need to convert this into kg? Tell me what is the answer. Okay, yes, Preeti Gupta. Hi, why are you late? If you are late, you have missed a lot of fun. Okay, so many questions we are doing. Please make sure that you rewind and watch the parts which you have mentioned. Okay, do we require to convert this into kg? Definitely yes. This was gram, so upon 1000. Tell me, my champions, what is your answer? 1000 multiplied by 1000 upon 20. There are so many zeros, so be careful. So 5, 2 into 5 is 10, followed by how many zeros? 4 zeros. followed by how many zero? 4 zeros. So this is the answer, 50,000. How it can be 20,000? 2 into 5 is 10. 50,000. D wala option. Okay, D wala option. 17th B. Correct option is D. Isn't it? Isn't it? Isn't it? Okay, how to convert? Sir, how to convert? Gram, 20 gram. 20 gram. To convert gram into kg, you can use a unitary method. If you are weak with conversion, use a unitary method. Okay, we want to convert what? Grams into kg. Grams into kg. 1 gram is equal to what? 1000. No. 1 kg is equal to 1000. 1 kg. Use a unitary method. Use a unitary method. 1 kg is 1000 gram is what we know. So what will be 20 grams? How much will be 20 grams? Okay. तो कैसे करेंगे? How do we convert? तो question mark के against वाला value जाएगा denominator. Think in terms of cross multiplication, and other two values will be in the numerator. 1 kg. Okay. I have to convert 20 grams into kg. 20 grams to kg. So one which is in the denominator, one which is, okay, think in terms of cross multiplication. Think in terms of cross multiplication, right? जो question mark के against value है वो गया denominator में, और बाकी दोनों value आएंगे numerator में. So here I have a conversion. 20 upon 1000. Okay, if you have a doubt, you can use a unitary method. जब भी आपको doubt होगा regarding conversion, okay, बचपन में हम लोगों ने पढ़ा था, कब 4th में 5th में unitary method. This unitary method is very handy. This unitary method is very handy. Are you getting it? Are you getting it? Can I move on to next question? We have taken a lot of time to solve this question. What does thumb indicate in Fleming's right hand rule? This is my right hand. This is not Fleming's right hand. Okay, this is my right hand. This is your Pravinsir's right hand. But I am going to use Fleming's rule. What does thumb indicate in right hand? What does thumb indicate? Do you remember? I have given you a short trick. Remember it as father, mother, children. Father, mother, children. First father, thumb. Mother, your index finger. Then children. Okay, father means force. Thumb indicates force. Thumb indicates force. Okay, mother, M. M for mother. M for magnetic field. This index finger indicates the magnetic field. And children. Okay, this finger, middle finger, indicates the current. C for children. C for current. F. Okay, F for father, F for force, M for mother, M for magnetic field, C for current, C for children, father, mother, children. This is how you can remember. So now you know. Agar pehle pata nahi tha, I have told you, I have explained this in a great detail, in my video of electromagnetism. अगर वो वीडियो नहीं देखा होगा आप लोगों ने, तो now I have revised this. Tell me, what does thumb indicate? Thumb indicate what? Thumb, father, force, F for father. Okay, force. That means motion. जहाँ पर force होगा वहाँ पर motion होगा. जहाँ पर force होगा वहाँ पर motion होगा. So my answer is B. 19th का मेरा आंसर है B. Now tell me. Yes, all my champions, you are getting your answer right. Now tell me, अगर हम लोग right hand rule को left hand rule में convert करेंगे, अगर right hand rule को left hand में rule में convert करेंगे, what does thumb indicate? What does thumb indicate? What does thumb indicate? What? Again, same option. Is it A? Is it B? Is it C? Is it current? Is it magnetic field? Is it force? What? I am using, okay, I am using my left hand. I am using my left hand, okay? Please write your answer. Write a question number also. So when you write your answer, write a question number also. So I may, because there is a lag. Okay, I am seeing your comment a bit late, okay? Yes. why likes are so less? So many students are watching this video, लेकिन like करने में कंजूसी, like करने में कंजूसी. Yes, पहले फटाफट. Okay, मैं आगे नहीं बढ़ रहा. I am not going. Okay, I have reached halfway. Okay, out of 40, I have solved 20 questions. जब तक likes नहीं बढ़ेंगे, I will not continue. First, give me this answer. Yes, first give me answer. Answer पहले दो, go and like this video. Answer पहले दो and like this video. Okay, what is the order? Father, mother, children, force, magnetic field and current. Father, mother, children, force, magnetic field and current. ये था right hand के लिए. Left hand के लिए क्या है? Okay, all three fingers are placed perpendicular to one another. अरे भाई left hand के लिए भी तो वही है. Father, mother, children. यहाँ पर भी right hand में भी for F, thumb is for force, left hand may be for both my hands. Okay, in both the cases, left hand rule, right hand rule, thumb indicates what? Force. Force matlab motion. Okay, force, direction of force is the direction of motion, right? And this index finger is mother matlab magnetic field, or this middle finger is what? Is current. ओके, इस करंट. तो राइट हैंड हो या लेफ्ट हैंड हो, राइट हैंड हो या लेफ्ट हैंड हो. अरे ये तो डांस का स्टेप बन गया. इन बोथ द केसेस थंब विल इंडिकेट व्हाट? फोर्स, मोशन ऑफ द फोर्स. ओके, मोशन ऑफ द फोर्स. यही थंब मुझे लाइक में दिखाई देना चाहिए, यही थंब मुझे लाइक में दिखाई देना चाहिए, वीडियो के लाइक में, राइट? ओके, एवरी वन ऑफ यू प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो, प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो. ओके, प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो. That will keep your teacher, okay, that will keep your teacher, your sir motivated, right? Okay, come on, have you liked the video? Everyone, have you liked this video? क्या मजा आ रहा है? Okay, yes, please like the video. Yes, okay, let us continue. Thank you, a big thank you for all those students who have liked this video. Okay, now what is this? What does thumb indicate in right hand thumb rule? This is not Fleming's right, it is a right hand thumb rule. It is a right hand thumb rule, means this is a conductor, and if this is carrying a current in this direction, if you hold it in your right hand with thumb indicating a direction of a current, and fingers will indicate, okay, what? Finger will indicate what? Direction of the magnetic field. So here what is the question? What does thumb indicate? Where? What does thumb indicate? In right hand thumb rule. This time, does it indicate motion? Okay, does it indicate force? What is your answer? What is the correct answer for question number 21? Please write the question number and your correct option. I am sure you know the correct answer. Write the option. Okay, and number as well. Right? Write the option and number as well. Correct? Yes, all my champions, you are absolutely right. Right hand thumb rule में thumb जो है, this time no father, mother, children. वो तो Fleming के left hand और Fleming के right hand rule में. For right hand thumb rule, okay, thumb indicates, okay, direction of a straight current carrying conductor. So yes, your answer is 21D. Yes, Harshit, Abhinaya, God. Okay, we have got attending our live class. Yes, so we have reached midpoint. I am sure you have gone through all this video, and there is a special video coming at the midnight prediction. You have to watch that video as well. Right now we are into electromagnetism. Okay, can look at the diagram because question is very big, so I need to reduce the scale. Okay, so look at this diagram. What do we see? Students make an arrangement to study electromagnetism as shown here. What do we see? We see a coil. Okay, we see a solenoid. coil of wire or a solenoid and galvanometer is attached to it, and there is a magnet. North pole of the magnet is pointing toward the solenoid, okay, solenoid or the coil of a wire, okay, and on the other side we have a south pole. So what क्या करना है अब स्टूडेंट क्या करता है, he changes the arrangement in 4 different ways. अब देखो वो क्या करने वाला है, ओके, वो कुछ अब करने वाला है. स्टूडेंट इज अबाउट टू डू समथिंग. ही इज गोइंग टू मूव अ कॉइल. फर्स्ट केस में वो क्या करेगा, कॉइल को मूव करेगा. Any idea in which direction? For that we have to read a question completely. Move the coil to the left. Okay, this is the left side. I am talking about trial 1. He is moving a coil towards the left side, away from the magnet, Will there be a deflection? Tell me, this question is about the deflection in the galvanometer. Tell me yes or no. Tell me yes or no. अगर coil को दूर लेकर जाएंगे magnet से, अगर coil को magnet से दूर लेकर जाते हैं, is there a deflection in a galvanometer? Let me know. Second trial में उसने क्या किया, moves the magnet away. इस बार क्या किया, सेकेंड ट्रायल में मैग्नेट इज मूव्ड अवे. ओके, मैग्नेट इज मूव्ड अवे. थर्ड ट्रायल में उसने क्या किया, मूव्स बोथ मैग्नेट एंड, ओके, थर्ड में क्या किया उसने बोथ कॉइल एंड मैग्नेट टुवर्ड्स ईच अदर. कॉइल को मैग्नेट के तरफ और मैग्नेट को कॉइल के तरफ, ओके, दोनों को एक दूसरे के तरफ मूव किया है. एंड इन फोर्थ ट्रायल, ओके, बोथ आर मूविंग अवे. एंड इन फोर्थ ट्रायल में वो इसको इस तरफ लेकर गया, ओके, कॉइल अवे फ्रॉम द मैग्नेट, नहीं, मूव कॉइल इन अ सेम डायरेक्शन. लेट अस से दोनों को मूव किया इन अ सेम डायरेक्शन. ओके, क्वेश्चन इज ओके, इन विच ट्रायल डज वुड galvanometer remain undeflected? कौन से ट्रायल में, ओके, मैग्नेट विल नॉट डिफ्लेक्ट. ओके, सो यू हैव अ डायग्राम, फुल डायग्राम इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. ओके, डू यू सी नंबर वन? नंबर वन में वो क्या करता है, सिर्फ कॉइल को मूव करता है, ओके, अवे फ्रॉम द मैग्नेट. नंबर टू ट्रायल नंबर 2 में वो क्या करता है, ही मूव्स मैग्नेट अवे फ्रॉम द कॉइल. थर्ड में क्या करता है, वो दोनों को एक दूसरे के पास लेकर आता है, ओके. और फोर्थ में उसने क्या किया, he has moved both in a same direction. Tell me, ओके, कौन से ट्रायल में, which trial there is no deflection? In which trial there is no deflection? Do you know Lenz's law? Okay, Lenz's law, right? Have you seen my video? Okay, have you seen my video? आएगा तो आने नहीं देगा, जाएगा तो जाने नहीं देगा. It is related. Yes, quick. Okay, it is related to magnetic flux. Magnetic flux is produced. In what condition magnetic flux is produced? When magnetic flux is produced, there is an induced current. And when current is induced or produced in a solenoid, there will be a deflection. But here we want a case. Where there is no deflection. Tell me, in which case, in which trial there will be no deflection? What is your answer? A, B, C or D? What is your answer? A, B, C or D? Come on, tell me. Yes, I'm getting the answer. I want answer. Yes. Okay, yes, correct answer is answer D. Okay, in answer D, because they are moving in same direction. दोनों same direction में move कर रहे हैं, तो it is as good as no motion at all. So correct option is option D. Isn't it? Isn't this a good revision? Isn't this a good quality question? Now solving next question related. Okay, now solving next question related to what? Related to electromagnetism. This is also diagram based question. Have a look at the diagram. Okay, diagram को ध्यान से देखना. And this is about a current and a motion. Okay, तो आपको कौन सा hand use करना पड़ेगा? Which law you have to use? A metal rod PQ is placed in a magnetic field. Do you see the direction of the magnetic field? Do you see the direction of the magnetic field? Magnetic field is in the upward direction. Okay, this is a mother. Okay, and what is the direction of a current? This is positive terminal and this is negative terminal. Okay, so charge will flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. So this is a direction of a current. This is a direction of a current. Where is the direction of the force? Where will be a force? Where will rod move? Rod will move because of the force. Which hand? Left hand or right hand? Left hand or right hand? Tell me which hand rule we are going to use. Come on, quick. Chat box में आपको type करना है L for left and R for right. Which hand we are going to use? Fleming का left hand rule कि Fleming का right hand rule? Come on, tell me. Okay, father, mother, children. Okay, which hand? Left or right? Left or right? First tell me which rule? Okay, which rule? Which rule? इसमें बहुत बच्चे लोग wrong जाते हैं. Yes, left hand. So this is my left hand. Okay, this is my left hand. Okay, my thumb मेरा आंसर होगा. Thumb will be my answer because motion चाहिए मुझे motion चाहिए, force चाहिए. Okay, so current, middle finger. Okay, father, mother, children. Magnetic field is where? In a upward direction. So is this a correct position? Is this a correct position? Yes. Can you see me? क्या मैंने अपना हाथ बराबर कैमरे के सामने पकड़ा है? Magnetic field is going upwards. Look here. मैच करो डायग्राम को और मेरे हैंड को मैच करो. Magnetic field is going upward. Okay. और ये current. Father, mother, children. Okay. Middle finger is current from P to Q. Magnet here. Father. Okay. Magnet ऊपर है. Yes. Magnet ऊपर है. Okay, current here है. Where is thumb pointing? Is it upward? क्या मेरा thumb ऊपर है? क्या मेरा thumb? Okay, where is my thumb pointing? Is it upward? Is it downward? Or it is pointing outside, pointing towards me? Or it is going inside the screen? Or is it is going inside the screen? Okay, where? Okay, where? So what is the correct answer? Yes. All my champions are correct. Correct answer is D, out of the field. Any doubt, let me know. You have to use your left hand because Fleming has given his rule, left hand rule. Okay, so you have to stretch all your 3 fingers in such a way that they are perpendicular to one another. One along the x-axis, other along the y-axis, and third along the z-axis. Sir, z-axis तो हमने नहीं पढ़ा है. तो next year, अभी थोड़े ही दिन में आप लोग 11th में जाने वाले हो, तो वहाँ पर maths में, science में, there will be third. Since you are growing up, okay, you are promoting from 9 to 10 standard. वहाँ पर बहुत सारे sum मिलेंगे, where you will be having what? Z-axis as well. Come here, very interesting question. बताओ कौन सा नॉर्थ पोल है, कौन सा साउथ पोल है? रिमेंबर, नॉर्थ पोल क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन इज द साउथ पोल. जैसा क्लॉक घूमता वैसा अगर वाइंडिंग होगा तो दैट पोल इज द नॉर्थ पोल. अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज होगा, if okay, winding of the wire along this magnet or this soft iron, or okay, अगर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज होगा तो इट विल बी अ साउथ पोल. तो जरा ध्यान से देखना वायर को कैसे लपेटा है. ओके, वायर को कैसे टाई किया है. ओके, हाउ वायर इज टाइड. ओके, दिस वे. ओके, अलोंग ए दिस वे, थोड़ा टर्न करना दिस वे. ओके, आई एम लुकिंग इनटू कैमरा. व्हाट इज दिस? व्हिच डायरेक्शन इज दिस? इज दिस क्लॉकवाइज? आई डोंट नो if you are getting my mirror image or what, but for me, this is a clockwise direction. A के लिए है मेरा क्या? clockwise direction. आपको क्या मिल रहा है? check and tell me. आपको क्या मिल रहा है? check and tell me. ओके, क्या मिला आपको? इज इट क्लॉकवाइज और एंटी क्लॉकवाइज? और जब मैं बी को देखता हूँ, ओके, बी को देखता हूँ, हाउ इज दी वाइंडिंग? ओके, हाउ इज दिस? ये कैसे लपेटा, कैसे वाइंडिंग किया है इसका? ओके, इन दिस डायरेक्शन. When I turn this towards the camera, this is exactly anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise is a north pole, and clockwise is a south pole. Clockwise is north pole and anti-clockwise is the north pole. So what is correct answer? What is correct answer? X. Okay, X arm है. There are two arms of a horseshoe magnet. One is X, or winding का pattern is A and Y. Okay, so winding pattern is B. A is what? A was clockwise and B was what? Anti-clockwise. So what is correct answer? What is correct answer? Yes, these questions are confusing. These questions are confusing. What? Option is A, B, C or D. I, C. Okay, X is what? Which direction is this? Which direction is clockwise? No, my dear students. I think this is South Pole. I think this is South Pole and this is North Pole. Okay, I think this is South Pole, and most of the time I am very sure about my answer. I am very sure about my answer. Okay, most of you are giving answer as A. I don't understand why. I don't understand why, because my answer is B and I am sure about it. I am sure about it. Now you have to convince me. I will not convince you because I could clearly see. Okay, widening. Okay, here widening is in which direction? Is in which direction? Going in which direction? This is clockwise without any iota of doubt. Even I was sure about that 15th question. Right? सब लोग मिलकर अगर गलत आंसर देंगे तो wrong does not become right. Okay, anti-clockwise. So this is what? Clockwise means south and anti-clockwise means north. Do you agree with me? Do you want to change your answer? Do you want to change your answer? Yes, I see most of you are changing your answer. Answer is 24B. Answer is 24B. Correct? Can we move on to next question? Can we move on to next question? Right? Here comes the next question. In which direction will galvanometer deflect? Do you remember Lenz's law? Lenz's law. आएगा तो आने नहीं देंगे, जाएगा तो जाने नहीं देंगे. Sir, what kind of statement is this? Okay. So if you have seen my video electromagnetism, this is the way I teach, right? So North Pole, when, okay, ये flux जब इसमें enter करेगा, when flux will try to enter into solenoid, तो वो आने नहीं देगा. Okay, वो आने नहीं देगा. ये क्या करेगा? Oppose करेगा. Okay, this will what? Oppose करेगा और जाते वक्त उसको जाने नहीं देगा. It will. Okay, Lenz's law state that direction of induced current is such that it opposes the cause which produces it. It opposes the cause which it produces it. Again, midnight प्रेडिक्शन में ये क्वेश्चन भी मैंने इंक्लूड किया हुआ है. ये क्वेश्चन भी मैंने इंक्लूड किया हुआ है. सम स्टूडेंट्स से दैट सर इतने लेट क्यों मिडनाइट प्रेडिक्शन करते हैं? बिकॉज ऑल दो स्टूडेंट्स who join my live stream, they know कि during my class I keep on telling which question is right, okay, which question is important and which is not. Okay, तो अगर आप लोग देखेंगे Lenz's law, it says that it, okay, induced current is such that it opposes the cause which it produces. What is the cause? Magnetic flux. तो magnetic flux को आने नहीं देगा, oppose करेगा. And which poles oppose? Which poles, okay, repel each other? Which poles repel each other? Like pole repel each other. Like pole repel each other. तो ये अगर north है तो ये जो magnetic field, induced magnetic field होगा, this will be north, because north and north will oppose one another. और जब direction उल्टा होगा तो ये flux को जाने नहीं देगा. आएगा तो आने नहीं देगा, जाएगा तो जाने नहीं देगा. Okay, that time it will attract. Okay, unlike poles attract, so it will be south pole. Okay, so it will south pole. If you have any doubt, you can go to my video, okay, on electromagnetism. There I have explained this in a great detail. So this is my north pole. और current कैसे flow करता है? This is north, so this will be south. What is the direction of current? We know plus or minus होगा. Battery अगर होगा plus and minus, so from plus towards minus. But यहाँ तो north and south है. Do you know नॉर्थ और साउथ में जो है वो कैसे ट्रैवल करता है? ओके, कैसे ट्रैवल करता है? फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ और साउथ टू नॉर्थ. हमेशा याद रखो, करंट एंटर्स इनसाइड, ओके, इनसाइड द साउथ पोल. एम आई राइट? ओके, it enters जो है एंटर करता है वो साउथ से और एग्जिट करता है नॉर्थ से. दिस पॉइंट यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. सो दिस इज द डायरेक्शन ऑफ द करंट. सो इट विल बी डिफ्लेक्टेड टुवर्ड्स दिस साइड एंड दिस इज माय राइट साइड. This is my right side. Tell me what is the correct option. Deflection, okay? Lenz's law. You can answer this question only and only if you know Lenz's law properly. Correct answer for 25th is B. Do you agree with me? Do you agree with me? Are you convinced with my answer? Okay? क्या आप लोगों को लेंस लॉ आता है? क्या आपको पता है? अगर पता है तो आप लोग क्या करेंगे कि हमारा कमेंट बॉक्स जो है वो ब्लू और पर्पल हार्ट से भर देंगे. ओके, ब्लू और पर्पल हार्ट. ओके, आपके पास ब्लू नहीं है तो पर्पल नहीं है तो ब्लू. I want to see the entire chat box filled with the blue and purple hearts, right? Come on, quick. Have you liked this video? चलो जल्दी करेंगे फटाफट. कल एग्जाम देना है, जल्दी करेंगे. Okay, hope so. I want to see blue colored, purple colored heart. Come on, quick. Yes. Come on, quick. Right? Yes. Purple color heart. And all the students, if you have not liked the video, please watch. If you are watching this video, like the video also. You have to like the video. Like में कंजूसी मत करो. Okay, it is free of cost. You don't have to spend any money to like this video. Okay, it is all free of cost. Come on, quick. जल्दी से like करना आप लोगों को. Can I continue? Can I move on to next question? Okay, this is a good revision. Again same. अब देखो. What is the case? Diagram shows what? Okay, I'll try to zoom into the diagram. Okay, क्या दिखाई दे रहा है diagram में? Diagram shows a bar magnet. Okay, there are two bar magnets, a solenoid in between. Left hand side is magnet P, right hand side is magnet Q, hanging freely. Okay, which observation is correct? क्या होगा? Okay, magnet P moves away. अच्छा, battery लगाया हुआ है. See, battery is here. No induced current. Battery is here. Okay, again Lenz's law. Tell me whether Lenz's law or not. Okay, ये बैटरी है. Okay, ये बैटरी है. अगर इसको स्विच ऑन करेंगे, so this is positive, this is negative. So what is the direction? So this is a direction of current. Correct? This is a direction of current. तो यहाँ से, okay, यहाँ से वो जाएगा और यहाँ से निकलेगा. It enters, current enters. Okay, how? Through south pole, right? South pole, and exit through north pole. Okay, exit through north pole. Correct? So what is your observation? What do you think? Okay, what do you think will be your observation? What will be your observation? Will they repel? Okay, will they repel? Will they attract? Okay. (25) A है. Okay, somebody is saying 25 A है. I don't agree. Okay, I don't agree. How? Okay, direction क्या है? Yes. How? What will be the motion? How will be the motion? Okay, do you want to see the entire question? What is the correct option? Come on. Correct option कौन सा? A. P moves away from the solenoid. Q moves towards the solenoid. Come on, tell me your answer. I'll take a water break. Okay, my throat needs a water. What is the correct option? Tell me what is the correct option. Yes, jaldi. Okay, jaldi से बताओ क्या है correct option. Come on, you have a question in front of you. Tell me what is the option. What is the correct option? Where does it move? Where does it move? Like poles attract, unlike poles repel each other. Like poles attract. Where will be repulsion? We will see south and south repel. Okay, correct. And north and south attract. They attract. ये दूर जाएगा, ये इस तरफ जाएगा. Okay, attraction. Correct. So which is the correct option? Yes, 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 yes. Most of you got it right. D is the correct option. Okay, D is the correct option. What is the question number? Is it 27? Is it 27? Okay, we'll try to increase the speed. Which of the following represent the wire property of a fuse wire? So we have come to a chapter, household electricity. Household electricity, ये बहुत easy है. ये बहुत easy है. Okay, can you tell me fuse जो है वो किस चीज से बना हुआ हो? Okay. Anyway, what is the correct option? Which of the following represent property of a fuse? Which of the following represent the property of the fuse? Come on, जल्दी फटाफट. Which one? क्या उसका high resistance होता है and high melting point होता है? Concentrate on melting point. You will get the answer. Concentrate on the melting point. You will get the answer. Please write the question number also. Please write the question number also. Okay. Concentrate on the melting point. Fuse ka, what is the melting point? Is it high or is it low? Is it high or is it low? Definitely it is low. Definitely it is low. So ये और option, ये high वाले दो option eliminate. Okay. Now resistance कैसा होता है? Resistance कैसा होता है? Is it high? Okay. Resistance is high or resistance is low? It is high. So my correct option is B. Okay, my correct option is B. Are you getting correct answer? Yes. Fuse is made up of what? It is made up of an alloy. Very important question. Very important question. What is fuse? What is the material of a fuse? Fuse is made up of an alloy. Okay, and that alloy is what? Is mixture of what? Okay, that alloy is lead. Okay, lead and tin. Okay, is lead and it is lead and tin, correct? Tin is what? Sn. Okay, correct. Can we move on to next question? Next question is, this is fairly easy. Okay, difficult part. इलेक्ट्रिसिटी में टाइम लगता है और इसमें टाइम लगता है. किसमें? इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिज्म. वी कैन रन थ्रू दिस. What is the commercial unit of electrical energy? Commercial unit, not SI unit. I am giving you an hint. Explain what? 27. is the Lenz's law. Okay, याद देखो, there are certain points which you must know. Certain point which you must know. Okay, current enter करता है. That is the south pole. Okay, magnet में. Okay, south pole. और exit करता है. That is the north pole. That is the north pole. That is the reason I have written south here. It is entering here. Positive to negative terminal. And exit from here. So north pole. And we know that like poles, south and south will repel each other. South and south will repel each other. And north and south, unlike poles, will attract each other. Okay, will attract each other. Right? Hence, okay, question was D. Question was D. P will move away. P will move away. And Q will move towards. Okay. What? I think, oh, yes. What is the correct option? What is the correct option? Correct option is what? P moves towards the solenoid. No. P moves away from the solenoid. Or we are going to see what? Direction. Or we are going to see the direction. What? What? Okay, current is already flowing. Wait. Current is already flowing. Wait. Current is already flowing. Wait. Okay, current is already flowing. So what we will see, widening we are going to see. Okay, if you watch it from this side, okay, if you are watching from this side, how is the widening? How is the widening? It is anti-clockwise. Okay, this side it is widening is anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise. Okay, anti-clockwise means this is a north pole. Yes, we need to change our answer. North, not D wala. It is a north pole. Okay, correct. And this side, if you watch it from this side, this widening is a clockwise. Okay, this is clockwise. Clockwise. Correct? Anti-clockwise and clockwise. So this is a south pole. North and south will attract. North and south will attract. Wait. North and south will attract. Okay, and they will repel. So what will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? What will be the correct answer? Magnet P moves towards the solenoid and Q, south-south will repel. Yes, D was the correct answer. Yes, our option was right. Yes, D is correct answer. Without any iota of doubt, D is the correct answer. I think already I have already marked that as D. Okay, so D is the correct answer. Chalo. Fine. Fine. Okay, most of the students, Kritika, Bhandari, Kaifu, Rishabh, why A? We are into which question now? We are into which question? Okay, electrical energy. Okay, tell me 29th का आंसर क्या है? Tell me 29th का आंसर क्या है? Tell me 29th का आंसर क्या है? Electrical energy का commercial unit, not an SI unit. Let me tell you, SI unit is joule. So joule is not the answer because that is SI unit. It is kilowatt hour. It is kilowatt hour. C, kilowatt hour. Okay. The energy used, is this a numerical? You need to do some calculation. Energy used by 30 watt bulb. Power is 30 watt. Right? Is switched for 4 hours. Time is 4 hours. Okay. So, energy used. Energy ka formula is P into T. So very easy. 30 watt into 4 hours. So 120 watt hour. But we want answer in kilowatt hour. We want answer in kilowatt hour. So there is a conversion which is inward. There is a conversion which is inward. Kilo में convert करते हैं. Kilo में, okay. तो divide by, okay. तो divide by 1000. Then divide by 1000. Divide by 1000. Kilowatt hour. Okay. 0 cancel. How much is it? 0.12 kilowatt hour. Okay, 0.12. Correct answer is answer B. 30 wala answer is B. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, let's move on to 31st one. Electric meter in a house records what? जो meter लगाते हैं, okay? A person from the electricity department comes to take the reading. What does he record? What does he record? Okay. What does he record? Charge flowing in the circuit, charge or current or energy or power. Charge, current, energy or power. Yes, it is energy. Okay. If you know electric meter is also known, do you know what is the other name? What is the other name for the electric meter? What is the other name for the electric meter? Okay, what is the other name? Joe, which question? Which is the other name for the electric meter? Which is the other name? It is also called kilowatt hour meter. If you read your textbook properly, Selena properly, it is given over there. So he records, okay, electric meter record your energy consumption. Okay, your energy consumption. And then they charge you based upon your energy consumption. They charge you based upon your energy consumption, right? Now this question I have included in all my 3 question banks. When I have taken a subjective question in everywhere I have included this, right? This is very, very important, okay? Where it is connected. Now, first, number 1, you see this. Okay, there is a convention, there is a particular convention. One is for live wire. Live wire is connected here, right? This is a socket. This is what? This is a socket, okay? ये socket है. What is left side and what is the right side? Which is the left side? क्योंकि एक plug भी होता है. Okay, plug में 3 wires. There are 3 wires. There are 3 what? ये plug होते हैं. There are 3 plugs. Okay, 1, 2 and 3. 2 and third one. This is longer and bigger, and this is, let us say, my socket. Okay, so tell me, ये left वाला कौन सा होता है? Left वाला is which one? Yes, ऋषभ, current जो है वो south pole से enter होता है, but that is in case of induced current. Okay, that is, see, confusion here is between induced current. जिसमें भी confusion है ना, वो लिख कर रखो. Okay, उसको लिख कर रखो. We will discuss at the end. Okay, one is the induced current, and other one is the electric current, and another one is electric current. Right, right. Induced current के लिए enter. Okay, enter is north and exit is south. Right. लेकिन इलेक्ट्रिक करंट होगा तो पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल. ओके, पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल से एंटर करेगा. ओके, यार सॉरी, एंटर वगैरह नहीं देखना है. इलेक्ट्रिक करंट में आप लोग जो है, यू विल कॉन्सेंट्रेट ऑन वाइंडनिंग. ओके, ऑन द टर्न. ओके, कैसे टर्न किया है, क्लॉकवाइज की एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज की क्लॉकवाइज. ओके, की क्लॉकवाइज. क्लॉकवाइज इज साउथ and anti-clockwise is north, and anti-clockwise is north. वहां पर जो है वो इलेक्ट्रिक बैटरी से करंट दिया था, तो क्लॉक एंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ओके, क्लॉक एंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज. ओके, सो इन अ सॉकेट, फाइन, I hope I have answered your question. Left side is for live. Okay, left side is for a live. Live is also called a phase. And right side is for a neutral. Okay, right side is for a neutral. यहाँ पर थोड़ा उल्टा होता है. यहाँ पर ये 1 ही होगा. ओके, 1 ही होगा. या लेफ्ट और राइट जो होगा वो उल्टा होगा. ओके, जब सामने रखोगे तो लेफ्ट एंड राइट उल्टा होगा. ओके, तो फ्यूज कहाँ लगाते हम लोग? फ्यूज कहाँ पर लगाते? फ्यूज हम लोग कहाँ पर लगाते? Fuse is connected to a live wire. And which is the live wire? Live wire is which one? 1, 2 or 3? Which one? 1, 2 or 3? Is it 2? Is it 2? 1, 2 or 3? Which is the live wire? Acha, this is socket. 3 is live. I don't think so. Come on, champions. I want answer from you. Come on. What is the option? A, B, C or D? A, B, C or D? A, B, C or D? Come on, tell me what is the answer. Come on, tell me. Okay. Come on, tell me what is the correct answer. 1, 2 or 3? 1, 2 or 3? 1, 2 or 3? Because I see some of you are giving me answer 3. Some of you are telling me, okay, fuse. It cannot be 2 or 3. It cannot be through 2 and 3. Okay, a wireman which is not well educated, having incomplete knowledge. Okay, having incomplete knowledge, वो कहीं पर भी लगा देता है fuse. Okay, कहीं पर भी लगा देता है fuse. Right, but it should be to a live wire. So socket में which one is 2? What is 2 and what is 3? Okay, I think, okay, plug में, okay, left and right अलग होता है. Here, over here, 2 वाला. Okay, over here, in this case, live, neutral is 2 and live. Okay. Yeah, so correct answer is 3. Correct answer is 3. 32 ka correct answer is C. Sorry, C, not 3. Correct? Can we move ahead? Can we go on to next question? Okay, earthing gives protection against what? This is confusing. Okay? This is confusing. All the students, okay, all the students, all the teachers, all the parents, if you are watching this video and if you are liking this video, okay, please show that you are liking by hitting the like button. सब लोग like button को hit करेंगे and we will continue. Please hit the like button. Please hit the like button. Okay, please hit the like button. Fine. Chalo, then I will continue. What is the purpose of the earthing? What is the purpose of the earthing? Earthing, okay, what basically is the earthing? Metal case, okay, metal casing, metal body होता है appliance का, metal body or metal case of appliance, okay, appliance. उसमें एक वायर होता है, okay, एक end is connected to that, one end is connected to that, okay, and other end is connected to what? Earth, buried under the earth. So what is the purpose of the earthing? क्या वो short circuit से बचाता है? Is it protection against the short circuit? Or it is what? Excess flow of current. I think excess flow of current के लिए तो हमारे पास fuse है. Okay, does it protect from overloading? Definitely not. Voltage fluctuation. Voltage fluctuation. Okay, ये भी नहीं. So correct answer is earthing protect us against what? Short circuit. Basically, what is short circuit? When live wire and neutral wire touch each other, we say, okay, this is a condition of short circuit. So live wire connected to the metal body of the appliances, connected to the metal body of the appliances. So there is a chance of short circuit. Person handling the appliance may get a fatal shock. Here comes 34th question. Here comes 34th question. Yes, 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 correct. Absolutely right. Yes, my superstars, your answers are absolutely right. Okay, yes, my champions, your answers are absolutely correct. Which circuit has a greatest resistance? कौन से circuit में greatest resistance होगा? That every resistor, okay, each resistor has 1 omega. Resistor, each resistor is 1 ohm. Everyone. So which one? Which one will have which greatest? Okay, parallel में equivalent resistance decreases. Parallel में equivalent resistance decreases. Right? Series में increase होता है. Series में increase होता है. Okay, तो parallel cannot be option. Parallel cannot be option. In case अगर आप check भी करके देखोगे, this is 1 and this is 1, right? दोनों को connect करेंगे तो क्या बन जाएगा? 1 into, okay, इनका मिलाकर बन जाएगा half और इनका मिलाकर बन जाएगा half. Is it fine? Is it fine? And they are connected in series. तो यहाँ पर equivalent resistance और total is 1. Okay, here it is 2. यहाँ क्या होगा? यहाँ पर होगा half. Okay, and here what? Half and 1 and half. यहाँ पर equivalent resistance is 1 and half. So greatest is in arrangement C. Greatest one is in C. So my correct option is B. Option B. देखो कैसे confuse किया है? कैसे confuse किया है? Correct answer is C. But उसको रखा है B के साथ. But उसको रखा है B के साथ. Correct option is B. Which is C? Yes, Abhay. Okay, which is B? Correct. Can we move on to next question? Here 1 minute का question. When potential difference on x-axis, potential difference is on x-axis. When potential difference on x-axis across a piece of wire, resistance wire is changed, the current through wire also changes. The temperature of a wire remains same. The graph shows how potential difference and current related. क्या था? What was that? Okay, concentrate only on this part. Okay, how they are connected. Okay, I is directly proportional to V or inversely proportional to V. V is equal to IR. So definitely V and I are directly proportional. So which diagram shows a direct proportion? डायरेक्ट प्रोपोर्शन में स्ट्रेट लाइन होता है, लेकिन क्या ये इधर से स्टार्ट होगा? यहाँ से मीन्स व्हाट? व्हेन करंट इज जीरो, पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस इज जीरो. Here, okay, here there is some current but potential difference is zero. Here there is some potential difference but current is zero. Here, okay, here current is zero for some potential difference, right? Which is the correct option? Correct option is what? What? Which one? A, B, C or D? Ohm's law. Okay, this is related to Ohm's law. So Ohm's law is what? A wala. Ohm's law is A wala. So where is A? Where is A? Where is A? D wala part is A. So D wala part is A. Correct answer is D. Please write a number, question number and your option. Please write your number and your option. Okay, here we go with the questions. Is the calculate? Yes, very important question. Very important question. Okay, I'll take a water break. By that time, okay, you can solve this question. Mark this as important question. Mark this as important question. Don't enter into examination hall without solving this question. Don't enter your examination hall without solving this question. In case of numericals, okay, also I have taken this question. Look here, 2 points. 1 point is here and 1 point is here. Let us say R1 resistance and R2 are connected in parallel. When two resistances are connected in parallel, their potential difference is same. Okay, their potential difference is same. Let us say I1 is passing from here, I2 is passing from here, and current I is through a circuit. So we have the another equation. We have the another equation that is I is equal to I1 plus I2. I is equal to I1 plus I2. What is the current in the ammeter? Means we have to find value of I. I1 is 3 ampere. I1 is 3 ampere. What is I2? What is I2? I2 कैसे find out करेंगे? See here, potential differences across both the resistors are same. Okay, potential difference of resistance 1 is equal to potential difference of the resistance 2. What is formula? What is formula for P? V is equal to IR. V is equal to IR. So this is what? This is V1, sorry, I1, I2, I1 R1, I2 R2. I1, now what I have to find out? I have to find out I2. तो I2 का फॉर्मूला बनेगा, तो I2 का फॉर्मूला बनेगा. I repeat once again, please don't enter into the examination hall without solving this question. Okay, it will be I1 R1 upon I2. I1 R1 upon I2. So I1 is how much? I1 is given as 3. R1 is 4 upon I2. I2 is what? I2 I have to find out. So this has to be R2. Okay, R2. R2 is 2. So what is my answer? 2 into 2 is 4. So this is what? 6 ampere. So 6 ampere I2. So current in the ammeter is 3 plus 6. That is 9 ampere. 9 ampere. Okay. Ninth wala. Correct option for 36 is C. Correct answer for 36 is C. Please don't enter your examination hall without solving this question. Without solving this question. Students, we have reached close to 100 likes. We have reached close to 100 likes. So all those students who are watching this video and they have not liked, okay, like this video, please make sure that you like this video before we move ahead. We are close to 100 likes. Okay, I will be pleased if we achieve that milestone. Have you read about the poem Cold Within? Okay, Cold Within. Okay, आपका कुछ नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, if you like the video, okay, there is, आपको तो कोई पैसे नहीं लग रहे हैं. Okay, आपका तो कुछ नुकसान नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, but your sir will be motivated. Okay, that will be like a feather in a cap. So if at all you have not liked the video, please make sure that you like it. Yes, I see likes are increasing. likes are increasing. I am waiting whether today we are going to achieve that milestone. Today I am going to achieve that milestone or not. And yes, my dear students, you are going to achieve your milestone. That is 40 on 40 in your physics ka paper. In your physics ka paper. Options: describe 4 different resistance wire. There are 4 wires of different length and different diameter. Okay, they are made up of same metal, same material, which has the smallest resistance. What is formula for resistance? Okay, rho L by A. Resistance is rho L by A. So this rho is constant because same metal, same material से बना हुआ है. Okay, there is a length in what? In length and in diameter. Diameter area is equal to pi r square. This resistance can also be written by formula rho L upon pi r square. Okay, so what is the relation? Rho is directly proportional to L, and I can say that it is inversely proportional to diameter. Okay, तो length अगर ज़्यादा होगा, हमको small resistance चाहिए, तो लेंथ छोटा होना चाहिए. लेट अस एलिमिनेट द आंसर. सो लेंथ देखो, ओके, छोटा वाला लेंथ इज 2, बड़ा वाला लेंथ इज एलिमिनेटेड. बड़ा वाला लेंथ इज एलिमिनेटेड. यस माय चैंपियंस, ओके, दे आर रेडी विद देयर आंसर्स. ओके, ये तो एलिमिनेट हो गया. व्हाट अबाउट डायमीटर? डायमीटर इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. तो जितना कम डायमीटर उतना ज्यादा रेजिस्टेंस. ओके, जितना कम, वी वांट स्मॉल रेजिस्टेंस, तो हम लोग डायमीटर को कैसा रखेंगे? ज्यादा रखेंगे. सो हियर आई सी 1 millimeter, हियर आई सी 1.5. तो आई डोंट वांट दिस. व्हाट आई वांट इज दिस. ओके, करेक्ट ऑप्शन. यस माय चैंपियंस, करेक्ट आंसर इज बी. 37 का आंसर इज बी. यस, यू ऑल आर absolutely right with your answer. Yes, we are near to our milestone. We have reached 97 likes. Just 3 likes to go. Just 3 likes to go. Okay, you can log in from a different account and you can help me achieve this milestone, right? Okay, is it fine? Is it fine? Okay, come on. 38, just 3 questions to go and 3 more likes. Which of the below factor does EMF of a cell depends on? Okay, please read your question carefully. Factors depending on. I have made a special video. I have shared this PDF, okay, PDF on my YouTube channel, okay, through the various what telegram channels. This, okay, factors. ये factors अच्छे से पढ़कर जाना. There were 20 factors and these are all important factors. इससे related बहुत सारे questions आने वाले हैं. Okay, बहुत सारे questions आने वाले हैं. तो 20 factors अच्छे से पढ़कर जाना. Okay, so which factors does it depend on? Okay, 38th वाला. Is it material of a below factor? EMF of a cell depend upon. Does it depend upon the shape? No. Does it depend upon EMF? We are talking about EMF, not upon distance, amount of electrolyte. Okay, it depends on what? Material of the electrode. अरे ये तो रट्टा मारने वाला आंसर है. Okay, ये रट्टा मारना पड़ेगा आप लोगों को. Okay, so physical quantity measured in Siemens. Okay, measured in Siemens. Psi, this symbol psi. Okay, ये इसका ये क्या होता है? तो this is reciprocal. This is reciprocal of resistance. Okay, reciprocal of resistance. और इसका यूनिट क्या होता है? पर ओम. Per ohm. And what is this measured? Okay, conductivity. Resistance. Resistance का opposite होता है what? Resistance का opposite होता है conductance. So correct answer is B. Resistance and resistivity. Resistance and resistivity. Okay, conductance and conductivity. Okay, so resistance ka opposite is conductance. So correct option is 9th B. So they are trying to trick you by giving this option. Don't fall into the trap. Okay, don't fall into the trap. Okay, don't fall into the trap. Yes, I could see still we are stuck into 98 likes. 2 more questions and 2 more likes to go. Okay, it is almost 100 but not 100. It is almost 100 but not 100. Please make sure that हम लोग ये complete करने, before we, okay, only one question to go, before we complete this question, okay, we have completed our milestone. We have completed our milestone. This is from sound. Okay, which of the following is not an example of resonance? Sympathetic vibration of pendulum. In pendulum, you get a vibration, so not an option A. Breaking of a glass by opera singer song. Okay, opera singer, their voice is so sharp that, okay, what resonance is produced and they can break a glass. So this is also not an option. TV and radio receivers also work on principle of resonance. So what happens? Okay, pressing a stem of a tuning fork against a tabletop. This is a tabletop. Okay, and this is a tuning fork. Tuning fork, prongs of this tuning forks are vibrating, and you hear a faint sound. You hear a faint sound. Okay, but when you place this vibrating tuning fork on a table, okay, you hear a loud sound. You hear a loud sound, but this is not resonance. But this is not resonance. Okay, then what is it? It is not resonance. Then what is it? Then what is it? Okay, so here what has happened? So here what has happened? So here what has happened? Surface area has increased. Okay, earlier only vibration was in a tuning fork. Now this vibration has passed on to the tabletop. This vibration has passed on to the tabletop. Yes, we have achieved a milestone of 100 likes. Yes, thank you all. Okay, so correct answer is C, because area of vibration, more area, more vibration, more sounds will be produced. Okay, so this was the option. I feel, okay, I hope you have enjoyed this session and you have learned something new. Okay, something new from this entire 40 MCQs which we have taken. Right? If you have any doubt in any question, you can write that question number over here. Definitely, once this stream is over, I will share this PDF with you all, so you can have another look at it. Okay? If you have any doubt, you can go back. Okay? You can go back to this video. You can rewind it. Okay? And you can see the class. Siemens is a unit of conduction which is reciprocal. Yes, correct. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. So any doubt, let me know. Now you are just what? Few hours away from your physics paper. We don't want to remember what has happened last time in semester 1 during your physics paper. वो तो कल की बातें हैं, छोड़ो कल की बातें, कल की बात पुरानी. Okay, we are the students of new generation, right? So whatever happened has happened. When I was conducting this class, I found that my students were very well prepared. They were bang on with their answers. All the answers were correct. There were some minor doubts here and there. There were some minor doubts here and there. But we have cleared all those minor doubts. We have cleared all the minor doubts. Okay, so if you still have any doubt, you can write in the comment box, because comment box आपके लिए ही बनाया हुआ है, so that we can interact with one another. Please don't forget to watch my video, okay, of midnight prediction. There I have predicted about 4 to 5 questions from every chapter, 4 to 5 questions, and I am sure same questions will be there in your physics paper. So it was very nice experience of physics with you all. So many videos I have uploaded on physics to help my dear students, to help my dear champions, and they all have given a very good response to each and every video. So stay connected with me, subscribe to my channel, and refer this channel with all your friends also. Together we are going to have a lot of fun, right? Because in coming times, when you have your chemistry paper, when you have your biology paper, we are going to come up, okay, I am going to come up with lot of videos. We will be joining again for a live stream, and we are going to have a very good sessions, okay? And I want to really help you to score very good marks in your examination, okay? Minimum out of 40, how much you should get? Write me in the comment box, minimum how many marks should we all score, okay? So I want you all to score at least, I want you all to score at least, okay, I want you all to score minimum marks at least 40 marks. I want you all to score at least 40 marks. I don't want you all to lose even a single mark, okay? At least 40 marks you have to score, nothing less than that, okay? I am always there with you. My blessings, my goodwills are always there with you, right? So go to your examination with full confidence, with a positive attitude, and come out of your examination hall with a big smile on your face. And let me know, come back to this video or come back to any of my videos uploaded in last 2-3 days, and you can write your experience of your physics paper. How was it, and how was it different from your semester 1 examination? And also tell me the questions which I have predicted, the questions from my midnight prediction, have they found a place in your question paper? I am very much sure, I am more than 100% sure most of the questions will be there in your physics paper. So see you all in my next session, okay? And from me, a big best of luck for you for your examination, okay? So good night from here, okay? Good night from my side. It's now your turn to say a good night. So here we will meet again in our next class, right? So I see good nights coming up here, okay, on the chat box. So good night, see you all in next class. And when you are writing your paper, I'll make sure that I pray to God that you all do very well in your examination. Good night, bye, see you in my next video, see you in my next live streaming that will be based on what chemistry. And please don't forget to watch my video on midnight prediction. This is going to come at 12 midnight, right? Chalo, bye, good night once again, and bye, see you in my next video.